If you're looking for a quick and easy way to sync form responses with Notion automatically, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an automatic sync that saves you time and eliminates manual work. We've tried all the most popular tools for this task, and I'll be giving you an exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below if you want to follow along. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Syncing form responses with Notion automatically can help streamline your workflow. Instead of manually transferring data from your forms into Notion, you can set up an automated process to make it happen in seconds. This is perfect for automating repetitive tasks, organizing data more efficiently, and boosting productivity. To make this happen, we'll be using a third-party tool that connects your form responses to Notion. The software we'll use allows you to easily set up an automation that links your forms to your Notion database without writing a single line of code. You can connect form platforms like Google Forms, Typeform, or JotForm and have the responses sent directly into your Notion workspace. Start by signing up for the software. Once you're signed in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard. In this dashboard, you'll want to look for the option to create a new integration. In our case, you're connecting Google Forms or another form tool with Notion. The software makes this process seamless with step-by-step prompts that guide you through setting up the sync. Now, let's connect your form tool to the software. In the software's dashboard, select your form platform, like Google Forms. You'll need to give permission to access your Google account, and then select which form you'd like to integrate. Once that's done, the software will fetch your form responses. Next, it's time to configure the Notion integration. Select Notion as the destination, and the software will ask you to log in and allow access. Once connected, you'll be able to choose which Notion database you want your form responses to go into. If you haven't already created a database in Notion for the responses, now's the time to set one up. The software will automatically match the fields from your form to the columns in your Notion database. If you're using a custom form, you might need to map the form fields to your database columns manually. This process is really simple. Just drag and drop the fields into the right spots. Once that's done, hit save and you're good to go. From now on, every time someone fills out your form, the response will be synced directly into Notion. You can even set up additional triggers or actions, like sending email notifications when new responses come in or adding tags to your Notion database. The beauty of this setup is that it works automatically. You no longer need to worry about transferring data between platforms, and everything is neatly organized in your Notion workspace. This can be a huge time saver if you're managing client feedback, event registrations, survey results, or any other form-based data. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this tutorial. The link is in the description below, and it's a perfect way for you to follow along if you want to automate your workflow and get the most out of this tool. Key takeaway here: syncing form responses with Notion automatically is an incredibly simple process that can save you a lot of time. Using our recommended software, you can connect your forms to Notion in just a few steps and have all your data organized without lifting a finger. Make sure to grab the free trial in the description if you want to start automating your workflow today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.